I don't think that people understand what Indiana law says about guns. I'm Matt Chappell, and I've been an Indiana defense attorney since 1998. And ladies and gentlemen, our court system is in a mess. I create free videos like this so that people can further understand how to navigate the system and not get caught up in the mess. So check out the rest of my content on my channel or my website. As an Indiana resident or a visitor, it's important to be informed about what our gun laws in this great state. While some gun owners think that they know it all, there are actually lesser known regulations that may surprise you. In this video, we'll explore some of the hidden gems and shed some light on some things that just might surprise you. One such law is the guns on school property rule. Did you know that it is illegal to carry a gun on school property, even if you have a valid conceal and carry permit? That's right. If you're picking up a child at school or attending a school event, leave your guns at home. It's a small sacrifice to ensure the safety of not only the children, but of the school officials. Just leave your guns at home. Another law that might catch some gun owners off guard is that if you have firearms in a home and there are children that come, whether to live there or to visit, those need to be locked up in a safe place. It is mandatory in the state of Indiana that if you have children under the age of 18 in your home, that your firearms are locked up in a safe. This law helps prevent tragic accidents from occurring. And nobody wants that. And nobody intended that, but we all know the kids are curious and they will play with firearms. Well, the Indiana law says that the state shall issue a conceal and carry permit. That doesn't mean that you can take your gun anywhere you want to. There are still limitations to where you can take your gun. And it's advisable that you leave your gun at home or in your vehicle before you go into a place where you are prohibited from having a firearm. With these restrictions so as to avoid any type of legal problems. Because your Second Amendment rights are important to you. So don't let not knowing where you should and shouldn't have your gun get in the way of that fundamental right that many, many, many Americans fought and died to have. One final Indiana gun law that you may not be aware of is the prohibition of possessing firearms while under the influence of either alcohol or other substances, whether they've been prescribed by a doctor or coming from a friend. It is illegal to carry or possess a firearm while under the influence of drugs or alcohol. This law serves as a reminder to always exercise responsible gun ownership and never mix firearms and substances that impair judgment. These are just a few examples of Indiana gun laws that you might not have been aware of. Because of the importance of the Second Amendment right that we have in the United States, and especially here in Indiana, you as a gun owner need to stay informed and educated about the laws that govern those firearms. We love our guns. Let's make sure we keep them. So if you want to see more content like this, check out my channel or website. And if you or someone you know has been charged with crime or think that you're going to be charged with a crime, contact my office. We'll schedule a free consultation, spend 30 minutes to an hour with you. We'll work through the situation as best we can during that time period, and hopefully you'll walk out feeling better about being able to navigate the system if it comes knocking at your door.